In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change alarm ringtone on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off you need to get into Alarm app, and once you've done that, just tap at any alarm just like that, and on the next screen you can easily find sound. You can just tap on it and then you will be able to select any sound from that ringtones list, just like that. You can just tap on it to listen how it sounds, and once you've done that, the ringtone you've checkmarked will be set as a ringtone for that particular alarm. So in that way you can easily set custom ringtones for each specific alarm. That's how you can easily change alarm ringtone on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.